Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete recently played on Spotify. So let's go into the Spotify mobile application here. And after that, you can see that this is my recently played. You can see this is my recently played and there is a no way where I can remove the recently played. So just for example, if I just click any of the playlist, and even though if I just click on the menu bar, that's a three dots, here you can see that I have no option where I can just delete my recently played. It's neither have inside the playlist or neither on the upper side, right? So basically if you want to remove it, then there is only one option, that is just go to your profile icon on the, or you have to just go to the setting which is on top right side corner, and here just go to the bottom and you can just log out. So basically if you will log out, nobody will come to know how whatever songs you have recently played, right? So this is it guys. If you found this video really informative and really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.